It was a regarded second when the Andromeda cloud for the present changed into the Andromeda Endless System. The James Webb Telescope has seen 6 universes that exist apart of 1 billion years after the gigantic impact. This is unbelievable when you truly take a gander at the night sky. Getting out and about, a pinpoint of light, right when widened, gives you one of these photos from the Webb Space Telescope. It was a respected second as the Andromeda cloud changed into the Andromeda world for quite a while earlier. 32 seconds. Our comprehension of the Andromeda world was restricted to base observations. Regardless, with developments in progression and the introduction of the James Webb Space Telescope, our discernment has grown colossally. Now, things will change as the James Webb Space Telescope has perceived disturbing signs coming from the Andromeda universe. These signs have sent shock waves through the scholastic local area, leaving stargazers both enlivened and inquisitive. However, what precisely do these signs mean, and for what reason are they creating such an upheaval among space experts? Join us, as only 2 minutes sooner, the James Webb Telescope shut down just in the wake of getting disturbing signs from the Andromeda immense structure. Beforehand, we could see a long way beyond our eyes into the universe. Cosmologists confided in the smooth manner for being the entire universe. This deficiency of data was generally a direct result of limited headway for seeing different endless systems and individual stars. In any event, this changed when we found the Andromeda world. It filled in as our generally basic sign that the universe stretches out a long way beyond the smooth way. 1 minute and 36 seconds in the 17th century, Galileo Galilei's starting work with telescopes uncovered the smooth way's certain nature. He saw that the smooth way had various stars, testing the triumphant thought of its particular significance. Everything changed during the 1920s when Edwin Hubble saw far-off objects beyond the smooth way, utilizing the Hubble telescope. Edwin saw that these splendid objects, going through the universe, were universes, not the very same as the smooth way. One of the structures was the Andromeda world, or M31. While this was the place where we initially saw the Andromeda world through a telescope, Persian cosmologist Abd Alaman al-Sufi previously noted it around the 10th century. On record of mechanical kinds of progress in the 20th century, space experts could see and figure out the certified substance and embodiment of Andromeda. It is an unclear cloud, including an immense universe of stars, like our smooth way. Our limitless neighbor is around 2.5 million light-years from the smooth way. Since its discovery, the manner in which we center around Andromeda has out-and-out advanced. We have moved from ground-based perceptions through telescopes to space observatories like the Hubble and the James Webb Space Telescope. Each development in technology has taken us higher than at any other time, assisting us with understanding the mysteries of the Andromeda universe. We right now have more data and knowledge into its creation and construction, making Andromeda a benchmark for considering the improvement of universes. This has uncovered serious understanding into the more noteworthy working standards of the universe. 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Researchers trust that, to have a predominant view of our universe and the smooth way, we should zero in on the connection between Andromeda and the smooth way. This is particularly true, given that the two systems will unquestionably crash in around 4 billion years. While studies and evaluations have advanced, the James Webb Telescope has as of late gotten a disturbing sign from Andromeda. This disturbing sign confounds researchers, prompting inquiries with regard to its careful beginning and potential ramifications. The James Webb Telescope's high-level sensors have perceived remarkable improvement just inside Andromeda's local area. The sign sent back to experts shows results that contrast completely from past perceptions, stunning researchers overall. The sign delineates tremendous cycles occurring inside the world, possibly connected with its genuinely gigantic dark opening or recently covered events. Strikingly, perhaps of the most recent discovery illustrates that Andromeda's mass might be significantly more prominent than that of the smooth way, reshaping how we could interpret both limitless systems. The James Webb Telescope has also given detailed pictures and spectra of Andromeda, revealing the development of new stars and their compound plans. This new information is critical for understanding cosmic development and the circumstances for life. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. Furthermore, the data from the telescope suggests increased advancement in Andromeda's dynamic gas place. This has, in the end, affected its surrounding environment and is supposed to shape its future improvement by some other means than analyzing the gravitational consequences for stars inside Andromeda. Prepared experts gain insights into the dissipating of confounding dark matter all through the huge system. In a perfect world, this helps how we might interpret its impact on the parts influencing everything in the universe. Figuring out dark matter and its effect on the universe is quite possibly of stargazing's most prominent inquiry. Late forward hops by the James Webb Telescope have spurred different investigations as experts look at the insider facts of Andromeda. With more data becoming available, we now learn about the system's past and future. So, what have we found out about the Andromeda world through different assessments? Andromeda has shown imperative qualities that differentiate it from other universes spread across the universe. Its sheer size commands thought, with late appraisals proposing a breadth crossing around 220,000 light-years. This figure makes it one of the greatest cosmic structures in the local gathering, substantially more significant than the Smooth Way. This tremendous expansion adds to its mass, containing a typical trillion stars, beating our huge system in star count. 5 minutes and 49 seconds research likewise sees the structure as unlike a customary winding system. Andromeda has an extending center and a thick community, encased inside rings of residue and gas. This is beyond question a rich ground for determined star development. Such elements show a unique universe made by consistent cycles, framing its headway. Among its numerous parts, one of specific interest is its center. It is described by a twofold peak discharge, showing the presence of a very monstrous dark opening, like, but not exactly identical to the Smooth Ways. This offers gigantic bits of knowledge into the nature and activities of these immense, matter-eating openings. The Andromeda world is comparatively enclosed by a circle of great waste, including stars, planetary, and globular groupings, crossing various huge amounts of light-years in breadth. This enormous covering recounts a dazzled, coordinated story of the world's captivating beginning and history. The 460 globular groupings found in Andromeda also offer data into the arrangement of stars in their most memorable stages, providing a reasonable clarification of the improvement of star gatherings and the early new development of the universe. In sorting out the mysteries of Andromeda, stargazers are a tiny bit closer to understanding the huge significance of dark matter. However, demand holds up. How do they address its befuddling nature and the work it plays in the parts of tremendous systems? 7 minutes and 28 seconds Andromeda flaunts another obvious element: its satellite universes. Its crown structure is contained more than 20 smaller limitless structures, and some of them are going through streaming, denying their stars and gas. This cycle includes a more noteworthy galactic system, pulling in and obliterating lining, negligible cosmic systems. This shows the powerful nature of immense development and depicts how universes make and connect with each other throughout a drawn-out time. So, what does the future hold for the Andromeda system? The shape and course of its improvement entrance cosmologists, as well as those endeavoring to understand the universe. The chance of its uplifting from a curving to a ring universe is part of the way fundamental in Andromeda's movement. Check focuses on a cooperation that could prompt other enamoring blends, perhaps from vainglorious impacts or cozy associations with different universes. If, and really, it is pushing toward along these lines, it suggests that it has encountered different relationships with other cosmic structures since its most memorable experience with the world. In the end, Andromeda's future relies on the inescapable mishap with the Smooth Way, as shown by these models. The impact is estimated to principally happen 4 billion years from now. The consequence of such an impact is the development of a new world from these two Goliath heavenly elements. 9 minutes and 4 seconds in any case, it is a piece of respectable headway, in any event, to the tremendous distances between the universes. This limitless accident is surely not a prompt, fast effect. After the impact, the two endless systems would be essentially changed, framing new shapes and affiliations. The correspondence of their gases and residue will stir up new adjusts of star creation, impelling a titanic show above. As the blending objects gleam splendidly, at last, such an unlimited occasion will bring about the improvement of a solitary round universe. This sort of impact is entirely expected, as the universe has a long history of such events. Anyway, prompt interest makes it an occasion fundamental for us. Furthermore, the normal accident of the extraordinarily titanic dark openings at the focal point of the two universes adds greater intricacy to the brilliant show. This proposes a puzzling and critical nature of gigantic headway. The association is supposed to convey influences for the issue being inundated. It seems that the text you provided is complete. If you'd like me to continue, Could you clarify what you'd like to add or expand upon? Or perhaps you're looking for a summary or additional details about the Andromeda Galaxy or another topic. Let me know how I can assist further. Events. Anyway, prompt interest makes it an occasion fundamental for us. Furthermore, the normal accident of the extraordinarily titanic dark openings at the focal point of the two universes adds greater intricacy to the brilliant show. This proposes a puzzling and critical nature of gigantic headway. The association is supposed to convey influences for the issue being inundated.